Good morning. The topic is addressing modes. The 6800 processor addressing mode is displayed in a table as here we observe name, assembler syntax and addressing mode. First, immediate addressing mode. Immediate addressing mode. Already we discussed about addressing modes in second unit. Same but little bit variation. First hash value operand is equal to value. Next absolute short value effective address is equal sign extended value absolute long value effective address is equal to value register rn effective address is equal to rn operand is equal to rn register indirect addressing mode an effective address is equal to an indexed basic w value an effective address is equal to w value plus a of n indirect indexed full b value an comma r rk comma s effective address is equal b value plus an plus r of k relative basic w value is equal to pc or label effective address is equal w value plus pc relative full, right? b value pc comma rk comma s or label rk effective address is equal to b value plus pc plus rk auto increment and auto decrement an plus minus an effective address is equal to an increment an decrement an. The 6800 processor have several addressing modes. Immediate the operand is contained in the instruction. 4 sizes of operands can be specified here: byte, word, long word, opcode word. One more: byte, word, long word, opcode word. The fourth size consists of very small numbers that can be included directly in the opcode word of some instruction. Next, absolute mode. This is also called as direct addressing mode. The absolute address of an operand is given an instruction following the opcode. See, there are two versions of this mode, long and short. In the long mode, a 24-bit address is specified explicitly. In the short mode, a 16-bit value is given in the instruction to be used as the lower order 16 bits of an address. The sign bit of this value is extended to provide higher order 8 bits of the address. Since the sign bit is either 0 or 1, it follows that in the short mode only 2 pages of the addressed space can be accessed. There are the 0 page and F8 page, each containing 32k bits. Next, register mode. The operand is in a processor register specified in the instruction. Already we discussed about all this, just description only. Register indirect mode. The effective address of the operand is in an address register specified in the instruction. Basic indexed. A 16-bit signed offset and an address register and are specified in the instruction. The sum of this offset and the contents of an is effective address of the operand. already we have about this in the table. Next, basic indexed mode. A 16-bit signed offset and an address register are specified in the instruction. The sum of this offset and the contents of an IN is effective address of the operand. Next, full index mode. An 8-bit signed offset, an address register AN and an index register RK are given in the instruction. The effective address of the operand is the sum of the offset and the contents of the register AN and RK. Either all 32 bits, the signed extended lower order 16 bits of RK are used in the diversion of the address. Next, basic relative mode. This is same as the basic index mode except that the program counter is used PC, that is program counter is used instead of an address register AN. Full relative mode. This is same as the full index mode except that the program counter is used instead of an address register AN. Auto increment mode. The effective address of an operand is an address register AN specified in the instruction. After the operand is accessed, the content of AN is incremented by 1, 2 or 4 depending on whether a byte or a word or a long word operand respectively. If it is a word, byte, whether a byte or a word, say based upon the word or byte or long word, it is incremented by 1, 2 or 4. Auto decrement mode, same as above, but based upon the word or byte or long word, it is decremented by 1, 2 or 4. The contents of an address register and specified in the instruction are decremented by 1, 2 or 4 depending on whether a byte or word or long word operand respectively is involved. The effective address of the operand is decremented contents of AN. So by using this we can completed third unit. Okay. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about fourth unit.